Hello and welcome back to Thundering Rebuilds. This is part 2 of the BRZ rebuild. Now in today's episode, we are going to clean out the interior, something we should have done probably in part 1, but it's alright. We're going to clean it today. We're going to make it nice and... okay, we're going to try to make it nice. We'll see how that goes. After that, we are going to throw on the new door and new fender because, I mean, we need to, might as well. Alright, so the car has been cleaned. Now, this seat though is wet, like, I don't know if camera doesn't probably show, but it is pretty soaked, so I need to dry out the seat. Probably gonna have to remove it, because if you look, I mean, there's even a bit of, looks to be like mold, so I'm gonna have to deep clean this seat. And well, behind it, there's still a good amount of water. Even though I kept vacuuming it and vacuuming it and vacuuming it and just kept appearing like in this little puddle right here. So I'm gonna have to vacuum that some more. I'm gonna do it off camera because that's not really interesting. Now the other side has been cleaned. Cleans up pretty nice. Now there are those wires sticking out. I'm assuming that used to be for like a sub or something, but right now there's nothing there, nothing in the trunk. Passenger side cleaned up pretty nicely. Alright, so interior has been cleaned up as good as it can be with a normal vacuum. I'm gonna be getting a wet car vacuum so then I can actually clean out all the stains from the seats and actually make this car look nice. Now, this is it for now because we are going to pick up the new roof. I've secured one. It's white as well, and we are going to go to the junkyard and pick it up right now. We just pulled up to the junkyard. We are going to pick up the BRZ roof replacement. And there it is. Oh, yes. Looks like a pretty nice roof. She should get the job done. So here we have a new roof, and I decided to get a new door because why not? We won't have to repaint it at all, so that's much easier, and we just throw it on and that's it. It's like ready, see? Completely complete. Oh yes. So, oh yeah. No damage. Alright, we're gonna go inside to pay for the door. Time to load on the door. Alright, so I just unloaded the door, and something I failed to mention previously is the reason I got this door is because this one is the right color and it has absolutely no damage. So it was better for me just to get this instead of put that one on, because that one has damage. So the repair work plus the paint would have been like 400 bucks. This door, I got it for 260, a complete door. I mean, it needs nothing. Just gonna slap it on right now. That's it. So let's take the old off and put the new in. Alright, so it's a new day today and we got a new package. These, I believe, should be the headlights. Oh yes, the new headlights for this vehicle. So, let's open them up. Oof, would you look at that? That right there is some crispy headlights. Oh yeah. These are definitely gonna look good on this car. Alright, so these are the headlights side by side. They are used, but I got a pretty good deal on them now. The lenses are a bit rough condition, but we'll buff it out and we'll actually make it look like new. That's no big issue. I mean, as long as they're complete. Otherwise, I mean, yeah, they look complete, nothing's broken. They look pretty nice. I think they're gonna do the job just fine. So, before we do throw them on though, what we have to do, what I checked yesterday, today's a new day, but yesterday, the wiring is different because this door is from a 2013 BRZ, so it does not have a heated mirror, and it does not have a sensor handle, like nothing. The old one, it's a censored handle, so like you can lock it with your thumb. That one does not have that feature. So we need to swap over the wiring of the doors and swap over the handle and get a good mirror. So let's do that first and then we can throw on the headlights. Alright, so quick update. As you can see, it has snowed, and it has snowed a good amount, so I'm not gonna be able to swap the roof this week because this snow has to melt and whatnot. I mean, ain't exactly gonna be easy to do this while there's all this snow on the ground and then soon to be water once it all melts. Now, not to worry, I covered the front windshield so no snow got in. It's clean inside. But yeah, it's a quick little update.